Kiss me, baby, baby, kiss me. Pucker up and kiss it, Whoville.
Stop it, Mom.
Hank's getting all ready for a fishing derby that we're doing tomorrow. He's getting all his lures ready. Keith is just loud as ever. You excited for tomorrow, Hank?
Very.
Do you think you're gonna catch a winner?
Hopefully. I want to see if they have an Xbox for one of the prizes. That'd be dope. I'm sorry, it's just I've wanted an Xbox for so long.
Oh yeah.
We're dumping bleach in the grass to attract all the worms.
Let's do it.
Which is kind of a bad idea.
It's a great idea.
Worms don't even like bleach.
Exactly.
Why are we doing this?
You didn't put too much in it, did you?
That's what we tell you to see if there's anything come up.
I see some.
You do?
You just barely put a little bit in it, right?
Sorry, I got a little carried away.
It might be too strong. Well, they'll come out.
Any
I
more?
get it out in here somewhere.
No, they're coming out of the wall. Right there. Two or one just came out, fell out.
Grab it, June. Grab it. There's one.
Keep
honey.
going.
Up out of the
There's
ground.
one.
There's one
Nice, June. Here, put him in his jar.
there. I don't know how
Oh,
much
there's one.
you only need to just put a little tiny bit.
Hank's
I know, I
Ooh,
got
they're
carried away.
slimy with bleach.
Oh, I found a chunky one.
Oh,
look at
nice.
that one. Ooh.
That's a good one.
You better get some water and put some rinse them.
Just rinse them and take them back out of the water.
Okay, can we do it when we're done or should we do it now?
Bleach in there.
Ew.
True. Ew. Okay, now.
No?
Gosh, dang it.
You can't grab that one up here.
Well,
why would
Hank
why
tried.
would you want to try not to do it, screw it up, and let it come out?
You gotta be able to grab that.
You could probably get that now.
Yeah. I mean, come on.
Get it, June. Oh, oh nice.
You got it?
Yeah, you never want
That's a
to
beast.
just let them get out because they're gone.
That's the biggest one we got. Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah, that's a big
Slime
one,
and
huh?
5.
Got it.
Didn't rinse them.
There's one.
Yeah, not me. You. Yeah.
Here, Hank, do it back further. Back, because that's where that big one was, right there. We'll try
there
further back. Get back.
where we haven't dug.
There you go.
Mom, Dada.
Not the
Okay,
baby's
Hank.
feet. Oh, Heath, don't drop the big one.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Mom.
Heath, you got a lot of worms in there?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Look
my
at all
gosh,
those.
Yeah, Mom.
You excited?
Yeah, Mommy.
We're up and ready to get going. You excited, June? No? You will be. You'll get there. June is still waking up.
Alright, let's get out the door, guys.
Look at this little fisher with his wild
Do you
hair.
want to fish with me later? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You excited to have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you got the yellow power eggs and the pink power eggs?
Yes,
That is like those kids. Right?
totally.
Oh, that's funny.
Keith, what do you have?
This is our
Candy for breakfast? Nice, Hank. Awesome.
Here, hold it up. I'll get a picture. Smile.
Good job.
Bro,
You can take it off?
Trying to.
Hey, your sandwich is in the gravel. In here.
Oh my gosh. He dropped his sandwich.
I got blood on my sandwich. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
How they're fishing.
What do you got?
This thing will share, and that can change your luck from not catching to catching.
You got one, Heath. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Heath, look. Look at your fish. Keep reeling. That's your fish. That's your fish. Okay, ready? My baby. You're my baby. Your baby. Yeah.
Here, Mom, can I kill it? Yeah. We could get 9 fish today.
Yeah, I'll find a spot to get in there and put
The
that
peanut
on
butter
the
and
wall.
jelly that did the trick.
A good smart person. So that's another rule of fishing. When you're fishing,
You are the
it
master
takes
today.
not only patience, but it takes
You want
persistence.
something to hang on your
The
Christmas tree?
difference between patience
That's cute.
fish, we always say,
Jim, did you just get donuts and run?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, Simon. Wait.
Jim.
Hank, where's that stinky stuff? Oh, Mom, man, we need the stinky stuff.
It was on here.
And we need it.
Please, come on, put your damn phone down. Please, pay attention.
That should be good. Oh, yes.
There you go. Get it up. Grandma pliers.
No, I'm just trying to get a book.
Got him.
I said I want to put it up by the gale and get a picture.
Baby's ready. Okay, I'll get a picture of it.
Fish number 2. I had a fish on it.
There's still a sandwich club. We provide scholarships for the youth organization.
Okay.
We provide scholarships for the youth camp.
Got a fish on.
June, come reel it in.
Mom got a fish. Come on.
And we raised over 100,000 coho salmon and let them go.
Oh,
Have you ever been down in front of Anthony's home port on the Everett waterfront? There's a net pen down there.
nice job, honey.
40,000 coho down there.
Here, grab it by the line, and then.
Our little hatchery out there.
You want to get the hook out? Okay, you can try.
Heath, give the pliers.
Okay, you gotta grab the hook, push down, and then pull. Daddy, we've caught 4 fish.
Yeah.
No.
Hank, move.
We
You're
got
not?
about an hour.
Why
We're
not?
not going right to the end, so you don't need to stick around
This
for
is a
that.
slippery one. I'd like to throw it back.
Fish and wildlife.
Oh, you got it. Oh, you have to like push and then pull though. Nice, June.
June.
Dude, you got it.
Around the lake.
Good job, honey.
Clean up around the area you're fishing.
I'm gonna try and put it back. Okay?
There's nothing worse than
Honey, that
going
thing's
to
dead as a
fishing area
doornail.
where a lot of people fish, and there's garbage all over.
Let's see. Ooh, Cabela's. Sweet.
Hey, Mom, hold this, hold this, hold this.
Anna, did you cast those out at the same time?
We have about another half hour of fishing here. Scott, Expressway.
Give one to your dad and he's going to go get
On the way to the playground.
Can you get one for me?
Oh, Heath, did you have fun?
Yeah?
You got your babies?
Can you show Mommy how far you can drag them?
Yeah?
Okay. The hill.
No.
All right, let's go. He's so proud.
See, they're weighing down to the side of the
He's fine. He's not gonna go rolling down the
Honey,
hill.
he would too. Look at him.
That'd be hilarious.
He almost did earlier. He was like this.
Wow, he is so cute with the fish.
She is. Oh, we threw him up over his shoulder.
You are tough.
No, me, yeah.
That'd be like us going upstairs that are like this
Poor Mom,
tall.
she's barely
Yeah.
Give me the fish.
That's a bag of dead fishies right there.
How many did we catch, June?
4. Which is awesome.
Baby's trying to run away with the fish. We're back from the fishing derby, and now we're going to gut our fish. But first, you have to kiss it.
No, I love
Junie?
No.
Okay, kiss it, June.
No.
Hank is going to teach us how to gut the fish.
First you take the fish and turn it on its belly. So first you take the fish, turn it on its belly. So you start here. Don't kill God's living creatures. We already have. You know they have hearts you can hold. I always wanted to see mine on heart, but I never will. Except when I die.
I never will.
But we have to cut it. This is taking a while.
Okay.
Okay, so if we gotten that done, you want to cut the head off.
Good job. You're doing good.
Oh, why are you? Oh,
Really good.
Okay. Why is there a fin? Sound. Okay, there we go. Okay, now that you've done that,
You cut my freaking head off, man.
okay, so
How dare you?
okay, so now that you have this, what you want to do is you want to just go in, just rip it all out. Where's this heart? A black heart?
Yeah. He was a smoker.
Really?
No.
Really? And then, Jen, what you want to do, once you've gotten all that out, you want to take your fingers and you just want to run down the back of the fish and get all that black stuff. Show the camera their head. I'm just hoarding a fish that doesn't even have a head. I'm just like. Once you're done with that, you have a nice clean gutted fish. I'll be ready to cook and ready to eat. What? No, Mom, you don't cut it too long.
I do.
Look at this.
That's a beautiful fillet.
I know.
Nice. We got Dr. June in his house.
You guys want to see how loud a fish can be?
Okay.
I'm gonna bring this to school tomorrow, so it's like, yeah.
You'll be the weird girl who brings like fish guts and you're like, hey guys, what'd you do
That's
this weekend?
rude.
Oh, I'm sorry. Excellent. Nice heat.
Hey guys.
Right here.
Oh.
Nasty.
Oh.
Oh,
It just pooped.
gross.
It's still alive. It just pooped. Sometimes when you're dead, you still have to poop. Aiden. Ow! Who's Aiden? Did you just say you want the head with that? That's that. Hey, got our fish. We're gonna have a great dinner tonight. And by the way, we're gonna be at Whidbey, so it's gonna be fun. Thank God.